Hello and welcome from Caravan Salon Dusseldorf and the largest motorhome trade fair, camper van in the world. And here, I'm in here before the public is. I can show you some wonderful vehicles. Got this thing here from Notin, which is from the 1950s, and some other wonderful vehicles from Notin as well. How about this unusual thing here from Man, with the way it's been painted, decorated, with this wonderful large extended roof on it. Very attractive. Here you've got some Rapido vehicles as well. And many other brands. This is hall 16 of 17 halls full of camper vans, motorhomes and motorhome camping equipment. Oh, and destinations as well. So fantastic place to come, in my opinion. Anyway, so after a little bit of introduction, let's now have a look at this one here. This vehicle, the Malibu T500 QB. Now Malibu, a brand which was resuscitated by Cartago around what, 6 years ago, something like that. A cheap brand of Cartago. It's not really cheap as such, as I shall show you, but it's a very high quality, really nice. And this thing here is going to cost 95,000 euros, 743 centimeters long, 227 wide, 294 in height, including a very nice double floor, absolutely essential. Also with access to the double floor from inside. And as I'm talking about it, I'll show it to you right away. There you go, fantastic double floor down there. And it does look just like a Cartago vehicle. Here we've got the queen bed in the back. I think we've got all the lights on. It certainly looks that way. Yeah, if I turn them off, you see, so the lights are going off there. Put that there. Yeah, lights on, off, so I should say, and on. So we're doing okay on that one. I want to close the door as well, because there seems to be a bit of music on outside. Don't want any music spoiling my video. Yeah, so we've got light switches down here as well. That's on. What's that do? I don't know. And what's this one do? That's on. And the other one will be, the one at the bottom is, or last switch, that's for your doorstep. And below we've got shore power, electrical supply 230. Large queen bed which can be raised. Here we've got a step up, but on either side we've got wardrobes, which I shall open to demonstrate. And quite deep as well. Note the cubby hole at either side, and you know you've got electricity above it, so you can charge your phones up at night. Over here we have got a railway lines there, a junction, which is to bring this across like that. And we've got other parts to it to make a close off the bedroom up front, or up back I should say, down here. In fact, I'll have to come out, I'll come around here to demonstrate this better. So we've got one. Oh, there's me in the mirror giving you a view. So this goes across, this comes across, I hope, yes. And there you go. You've got your television and bed. There's another bit for the other side, but I'll leave that one for the moment. There you go. So you can sit up here and watch the television like that. In this bed, which measures 195 by 145 centimeters. So, good. This system, these rails that was introduced by Cartago for the 2020 season. So now it's in Malibu as well. Look at the size of that enormous down there shower with a skylight in the top, and under the bed we will find some drawers, 2 drawers, deep drawers, got proper walls to them, and on the sides as well, more storage. A bit dark, isn't it here? Is that any better? Not really, but it gives you the idea. Right, so into the kitchen, 3 burners, spaghetti, and a sink. That's not meant to fall through like that. Yeah, oh, it's clearly me. There's something wrong with me today. I don't know what. Woke up at 3 o'clock today in the morning. Don't know why. After having a really tiring day as well. Anyway, that apart. Storage under here. There's your wine cellar. I could use the garage for that. Drawers under the kitchen block. Big storage unit here with an unusual curved shape to it. You can see the unusual curved shape. Here, completely pointless things, which could be used for a spice rack, but all the bottles are going to fall out as soon as you start driving down the road. And there's a light, which I should have put on earlier, and that makes everything in here much brighter. There you go. I thought I turned everything on. Now, you can, of course, close this door here as well. There you go. So you've got absolute privacy there. I shall demonstrate it from in here as well. Look, there you go. So, and you can lock the door as well. Got a bed up here. Now, problem with beds up here is that they affect your headroom. Let's stand under it. Turn the camera around. Hey, there's me. Look at that. Look how much space I've got above my head. Well, could be better, I suppose. But I don't have to duck. And note, flat floor all the way back. Flat floor is great for storing things and also for putting the technical infrastructure inside. Really deep double floor. Very nice. Of course, it comes with a fridge, freezer. This one has the option of a grill, and tonight we've got grilled plastic for tea. Yum yum. Up front there, wonderfully large seating group, and now with the lights on, it's very bright. Bit of storage up the front here, which on this semi-integrated vehicle, I'll show you the depth of it. And here's something which is an unusual shape. Now, I really like these vehicles. I think they're very attractive. So we'll come out. Okay, the bike's inside. This one, both of them are €1,000. What's clever here, you've got this bit here that goes down, and you could place to put the wheels of your vehicle. Okay, have your bicycle. Most of us don't have something like this inside, but rather we push the bikes to be closer together. Okay, mine usually tends to be trapped in, jammed in with other boxes and store things I've got inside. And there you go, there's the side, same size door on this side, and there's a place for your gas. And once more, let's have a look at the size of that double floor. Outstanding in my opinion. So there you go, a Malibu T500 QB with the queen bed at the back. Lots of space inside. Thanks very much for watching, and all the best from me in Germany.